Will Tom be here tomorrow?
Have you been working hard?
When was the house built?
Is Catherine working today?
Do you live near here?
What time does the film start?
Did you sell your car?
Why did the train stop?
Who wants something to eat?
What happened to you last night?
How many people came to the meeting?
Which...
Who do you want to speak to?
What was the weather like yesterday?
Which job has Tina applied for?
Where are you from?
To whom do you wish to speak?
Why wasn't Emma at work yesterday?
Didn't you hear the doorbell? I rang it 3 times.
Haven't we met before?
Yes, I think we have.
Don't you want to go?
Yes.
Don't you want to go?
No.
Why don't we eat out tonight?
Why wasn't Emma at work yesterday?